Pampalit ng nose without surgery, ito ang procedure na para sa inyo. So basically guys, ang gagawin natin is mamarkahan muna natin yung nose ng ating patient. So basically dito guys, pinapamove ko sa patient yung nose niya para malaman natin kung saan yung mga areas na pinakamalakas yung nasal muscle natin. So kung nakikita nyo guys, yung nose ng ating patients medyo nag-flare siya. So dito, ini-inject natin ang botulinum toxin. So basically guys, ang botulinum toxin ay magte-temporarily paralyze ng mga nasal muscles natin. So eventually, pag temporarily na paralyze yung ating mga nasal muscles, ang theory is ay hindi na natin ito magagalaw, and pag hindi nagagalaw o nagagamit ang isang muscle, eventually ay nag-atrophy ito or lumiliit ito. So if you have somebody who have strong and very thick nasal muscles, then this procedure might be for you. So usually in 2 weeks makikita nyo na yung difference, para hindi nyo na masyadong magalaw yung nasal muscles ninyo. And eventually paunti-unti nakikita nyo na yung difference in terms of the width of your nose. So I usually tell the patients to do this procedure every 3 to 6 months. But pag ginagawa nyo itong procedure na ito regularly, you wouldn't have to do it as frequent as before. Kasi over time guys, lumiliit na talaga yung muscle and it takes longer for the muscle to recover its function. So you wouldn't have to do it as frequently as before. Pero guys, if you are somebody who is looking for instant results, nothing beats talaga alarplasty surgery. Alright guys, for more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye guys!